Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your images on Roblox into your files. So select the Roblox icon, go to captures here, and you can select show more. You can press the settings button here, the gear icon, and then you can click on the images that you want to save. For instance, like these ones, or you can even, I don't know if you can select all to do that, but select everything, and then to save just press this. If you want to, you can open in files here and you'll see where the pictures end up in, and it ends up in like my pictures file here. I don't know if you can change it, but that's how you can save images in Roblox. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.